Sugandhwal. It belongs to the family Valerianaceae. The part that is used for the medicinal purposes is its dried root and rhizome. It is a perennial aromatic herb about 50 cm tall with a thick root stock. It consists of basal leaves, long petiolate and ovate leaves. Plants are white or tinged with pink in terminal corymbs. The plants have multiple stems. Flowering and fruiting occur in March to April and seeds ripen during April to May. The plants are dominantly found in temperate Himalayas of 1800 to 3200 meters of Nepal, India and Bhutan. Uses: the rhizomes and roots of the plants have antipyretic and diuretic properties. They are used as hepatic and nervine tonic. They are cooling, stimulant, hypotensive and sedative. They are useful in epilepsy, hysteria, hypochondriasis. They are used in treatment of skin and hair diseases. They are also used in treatment of nervous disorders. Cultivation and soil. The plant prefers a temperate climate and grows well in moist, shady and loamy soils. The plants can be propagated through the seeds and rhizomes. During the rainy seasons, seeds can be collected in April to May and sown immediately in nursery. For raising a plant through rhizome, a separate mother nursery should be maintained. Seeds germinate in 15 to 20 days and get ready for transplantation within 3 months. The field should be plowed at least 3 times by mixing good amount of farmyard manure before transplantation. Then the rooted plantlets are planted in the fields during June to July. The spacing between rows should be 40 to 50 cm and the spacing between the plants should be 20 to 30 cm. Manual weeding and irrigation should be done to obtain better production. Harvesting technique. The crop can be kept in the field for 1 or 2 years. Plants attain maturity in August but requires some more days for harvesting. The best method of harvesting is by digging or directly uprooting during September to October. The roots and rhizomes are dried in shade after harvesting. The dried rhizomes are stored in jute bags and bamboo baskets. Then they are transported to the markets. Chemical constituents. Both roots and rhizomes yield 0.5 to 2.12% of essential oil. The major chemical constituents present in essential oil is malleol,